Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treat and thank you so much for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we are making this mouth-watering and delicious lamb ribs. It's so simple and easy to make, you will enjoy it with your family and friends. Let's do it now. For our ingredients, we need 1 kilogram of lamb ribs which has already been cleaned. We need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We also need some grinded onion, ginger and garlic. We need paprika powder, black pepper powder, some salt to taste, coriander powder and chilli flakes. That is all we need. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by making our marinade, and for this we'll pour in our grinded onion, garlic, ginger. We'll add our black pepper powder, coriander powder, paprika powder, chili flakes and some salt to taste. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it up very well. Next, we'll be pouring our marinade over the ribs and then rub it onto it. Cover with a cling film and allow to marinate for at least an hour or overnight if you have the time. Next, we'll be lining our baking pan with some aluminum foil as it gets messy during grilling. We'll be placing our ribs into the pan and grill in a 200-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can also grill this in a grill pan over the stove or in a frying pan. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet, and please turn on your notification to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded every week. So after 15 minutes, we'll be flipping our ribs over. See how juicy it looks. It will be going back into the oven for another 15 minutes. So after about 30 minutes of grilling time, our chops are done. Another simple, easy, and lekker recipe you can make at home. You can enjoy this with some fries or just on its own with some drinks. See how tender it is. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!